Okay, I have to drop the tea. I don't think too many people realize how much these chemtrails are affecting our entire bodies. More and more of my friends are getting sick. And I started wanting to do my own research and realizing that outside we're going into this like aluminum oxide, like rain cloud, basically getting on all of our skin, affecting our entire body. My lifestyle, I'm going golfing constantly around the chemical spraying of the grass. Horrible. Don't recommend living next to a golf course. You will be very sick. And on top of that, I go to farms. There's pollen, pet hair. I'm getting these type of allergies I don't normally get. I've been dealing with mold toxicity for 2.5 years, headaches to sinus pressure, and I was just all congested. All these things in my life that are happening in my environment, not be like, it's the season that you're getting sick. I don't really believe that. I've been working with Microbalance, love them. I've been talking to them about this whole nasal situation. It's an issue even when I sleep. So they had sent me their kit, their Breathe Easy kit. I've been using it for the last couple days. Their kit is actually very different than what I've ever had before. So I'm gonna walk through this with you guys. It's a war zone outside. This homeopathic sinus support, this really helps with mold, irritation. Mycotoxins from mold spores are so tiny, constantly are going up your nose or anything in your sinuses that's affecting you, and you live in mold. All you do is spray in both pathways and just put it in your purse all day. These CitriDrops, you're just gonna wanna take a glass of water. You wanna take like a couple drops and then just pound this. Whatever you can handle, up to 10 drops. I like to go slow with things. You never know how your body is gonna respond to stuff, so less is more. And then the nasal wash is what I'm really excited about because I always do some type of nasal wash like here and there. Why I like this one is because you integrate these CitriDrops inside of it. So you're gonna have your saline salt, you're gonna have your nasal bottle. You want distilled water. You want your CitriDrops. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open this, you're gonna fill the distilled water all the way to the fill line. There's a fill line. Our bodies are naturally saline based. When you put this through your nasal pathway, your body automatically can respond to the salt. You try without it, it like literally won't do it. It hurts. Add just 1 drop. Something like this as an addition to a nasal wash is kind of amazing. You're welcome. I did your research for you.